How to decorate the perfect gingerbread man for the holiday season. The production of gingerbread man is quite simple in terms of materials. It can be easily found, which makes everything convenient for those preparing delicious gingerbread. Sift the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, ginger powder, nutmeg, and salt. It helps the ingredients to mix more evenly and can improve the taste of the cookies. Put it aside for later use after processing. Gradually add the butter, brown sugar, molasses, eggs, and vanilla into the mixer in several batches and stir until well mixed. Stir until the mixture reaches a smooth and evenly textured state, where all the ingredients are thoroughly combined and there are no visible distinct particles. After that, gradually add the flour mixture while stirring at a low speed until a uniform dough is formed. Divide the dough into three, cover with plastic wrap, and roll into discs. Refrigerate for around 4 hours or overnight. This step matters as the dough softens quickly and requires thus thorough refrigeration. After refrigeration is completed, preheat the oven to 160 C. Roll the cool dough out to approximately 1/4 inch thick. Use a cookie cutter to press out the shapes of gingerbread men, then carefully transfer them onto a baking sheet. Soon a tray of gingerbread men was ready. Use the baking function of our high-temperature pizza oven and bake them for 10 minutes. The cooking process can be clearly observed through the oven window. Take them out of the oven when they are baked. They are in a perfect state. Put the cream into a piping bag and cut off the corners of the bag. Now it's time to decorate the gingerbread men. Be creative and bold, as this will be the most interesting part. A lovely snowman has been drawn. Use cream to draw all kinds of patterns on the gingerbread men, such as snowflakes, bells, houses, and so on. The patterns can be simple or complicated. You can complete this with your family members or your children. It's a really healing and harmonious process. Finally, we finished drawing all the gingerbread men. These decorated gingerbread men, symbols of our Christmas joy, await to be enjoyed.